What's up, it's Robe. Today I'm gonna show you how to play Elshadai on the keys. This one is an intermediate, kind of advanced beginner level song, but beginners also can try it. I'm sure if you put in effort, you'll be able to play it. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with no further ado, let's zoom in and kick off right after this. Elshadai is in the key of E, and I'm gonna divide this tutorial into 3 sections. The first section I will discuss the verse, then I will discuss the chorus, then I will discuss the bridge, and so those are the sections that that will comprise the tutorial. Well, we start off with the verse 1. The verse comes after the first chorus. So the first chorus is an a cappella. There's no instrumental behind it. So after that a cappella, that's when the verse comes in. So the progression for the verse is 1, 3, 4, 5, which plays 6 times. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5 times 6. That's the progression for the verse. So the chords that I'm playing are, the 1 is E major chord, the 3 is a G sharp minor chord, which is an inversion. It's second inversion of the G sharp minor chord, and the 4 is a major chord, the 5 is B major chord. So the E, with my left hand I am playing note E with my small finger, note G sharp with my middle finger, and note B with my thumb. On the right hand, note E with my thumb, note G sharp with my middle finger, and note B with my small finger or ring finger. So that's E. The 3, which is the second inversion of a G sharp minor chord. So on the left hand, note D sharp with my ring finger, note G sharp with my middle finger, and note B with my thumb. Note D sharp with my thumb, note G sharp with my middle finger, and note B with my small finger, ring finger. So that's G sharp minor chord. Followed, the chord that follows is the A chord. So it's a G sharp, then the A chord. So A chord is a second inversion of A. So normally you'll hold A there. So A, first inversion, second inversion of the A chord. So I'm playing note E with my small finger or ring finger, note A with my pointer finger, and note F sharp with my thumb. On my right hand, note E with my thumb, note A with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my pinky or small finger. So that's A note. And finally the B major chord, which is first inversion of the B major chord. So B, you'll hold normal B there, then first inversion. So on my left hand, note D sharp with my ring finger, note F sharp with my middle finger, and note B with my thumb. So that's B major chord. On my right hand, note D sharp with my thumb, F sharp with my pointer finger, and note B with my small finger or ring finger. So that's B chord. So all together, E, G sharp minor, A, B. And now for the verse, it's times 6. So after the verse is the chorus. So the chorus is the first part of the chorus the progression is the same with the verse. So it's this is how the chorus goes. So it's a 1 3 4 5. So this 1 3 4 5 plays 3 times. So 1 3 4 5 1 1 3 4 5 2 1 3 4 5 3, then 6. So after that 6 3 2 5 5 1. So again this 6 3 2 5 1. So the chords that are new in this case is of course the 6. So the 6 is a C sharp minor chord. This is a first inversion of the C sharp minor. So I'm using on my right hand, I'm playing note E with my small finger and ring finger, note G sharp with my middle finger, and note C sharp with my thumb. On my right hand, note C with my note C sharp, note E with my thumb, note G sharp with my middle finger, and note C sharp with my small finger. So that's the 6, and also the 2 is new in this case, this F sharp minor chord. So the F sharp I am playing on my left hand, note F sharp with my note F sharp with my small finger and ring finger, note A with my middle finger, and note C sharp with my thumb. On my right hand, note F sharp with my thumb, middle finger plays note A, and small finger plays note C sharp. So that's C sharp minor chord, which is an inversion, which is a fast inversion of the C sharp minor chord. So those are the 2 chords that are new in this progression. So the progression, remember, it's the chorus is it's 1 3 4 5 3 times, then 6 3 2 5 1, then then there's a 1 3 4 5 6 6 6 3 4 5. Then you go now to verse 2. So the last part of the chorus is 1 2 5 4 5, then 6 3 4 5, then 1 2 1 3 4 5. The verse 2 comes in. After now, now we'll discuss the bridge. So the bridge comes in after the second chorus. So when the chorus ends, and the chorus will end at, so the last part of the chorus is 1 2 4 5 6 6 3 2 1, and then the bridge 1 6 5 4 5, then 4 5. So that's how the bridge that's the progression of the sound. So the progression of the bridge. So the bridge is 1 6. So the 1 plays actually for 2 bars. 1 4, 5, then 4, 1. So I've already, so let me just name the chords. So the one is E for 2 measures, C sharp, B, A, B, A, E, A, E. So that's the progression for the bridge. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. So I hope I was clear. Try to be clear enough. But if I wasn't clear on anything, you can let me know in the comment area, and I will of course revise and correct wherever I wasn't clear. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know on the comment section. So ciao for now.